My name is Aniket Silan and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, from where I have done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and sketches. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. And also I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons. That's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is about child labor. Child labor is to work to child under 10 years. It was started from 1700th century from England, and it is a social evil for our society. Our government is also doing a lot of work for reducing child labor. In our constitution, Article 24 is based on child labor, that anybody can't do child labor to any children. And we also support our government to make it happen.
Fatehpur Kanpur Nagar. My father name is Satish Sachan. I have pursued my 12th from MDVR Umri Kanpur Nagar. Now I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Janata Mahavidyalaya. My hobbies are singing songs, dancing and playing outdoor games. I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force settled my life very early and adventurous life and equal to the all sector boys. Now I am going to speak about the child labor. It is a very good bad issue for our country, and not our country, it is all over the world. We are seeing that all over the world the child is working as a workman in a hotel and a workplace. That all over the country there are many other child who are working in any place where the work is going on. But it is happening there, as we know that many of the sons who are take care of our family, because his family they are not capable of work for to earn the livelihood. I think education is very important for us, but only education is important if the child is making a career for any place, not in education, not in study. If you are making career from anywhere, I think it is also again a benefit for there. So I think child labor should be banned in a workplace as a worker, as a labor. But if your child is working in any place where there is beneficial, I think it should be worked, and our government is making a law like Article 20, 22, 23 is going on in your country to reduce this, and we should also support our government. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GD friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramchandra Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th with 87% marks and 12th with 88% marks. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CSJM University, Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman because it gives us equality to the all sector boys and it gives us adventurous life also. Now I would like to come to my topic. Today's topic is child labor. First, we all should know what is child labor. Child labor means in which below 14 age child works in tanneries, factories and many other sectors. It is a very serious problem in our country. As we have seen, there are many kinds of child who works in hotels and malls also, and our government doing many.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Yashad Katiyar. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father's name is Mr. Pankaj Katiyar. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading books and newspaper and also playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for discussion. Today's topic is child labor. Child labor is a form of employment of children. The history of child labor is from when England used to buy slaves from African continent, and they used him for our factories, and also after American Revolution, Americans should stand against it and they scrapped this child slavery and also slavery. And we are seeing in our society many children are working in hotels, malls and also tea stalls. The main cause of child labor is that employment and poverty. As we seen in Corona period, many thousands of migrant workers lost their job, so extra burden on children got extra burden, so they used to open child tea stall and also hotels they are working, that don't get proper education. If we want to really scrap this from our society, stand against it, if we teach our
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Suyat Saw. I'm 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village, Atmarpur district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatanpur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us square manner. I am positive and hard worker. I am good learner and listener. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give new knowledge. I like to play outdoor game. To become the part of defense is my dream. Friends, the topic given to us today for the discussion is child labor. Child labor means there are lots of children who work in a factory for the food and earn some money. It is the main reason of this is that their parents are poor and they are not afford their food and education, which is not good because childhood for the enjoying their childhood and earn some knowledge which is good for their future. But the child labor are destroying their childhood. Our government start many campaigns like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, which is give the children free education and also the free food, and it is a good initiative started from our government, and it is also our responsibility that we should give perfect education to our children, which help them develop their mind and career. And our constitution give the power and that any person not afford any child labor if they are doing it is a cause of their punishment.
Good afternoon.